Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Boolean algebra theorems and laws. Now, yes. Now, first of all, let us consider the under law. So here, a and 0. If you perform the a and 0, this is the undersign. Next, a under with 1. Next, a undersign with a. Next, fourth one, a undersign with a bar. So if you perform this undersign with 0, 0. So a undersign with 1, a undersign with a, it is a only. A undersign with a bar, a into a bar, the answer is 0. So now we need to understand about R law. So here also 4 properties are there in the same way. So here R sign means plus a plus 0, a plus 1, a plus a plus a bar. Now coming to the output, a plus 0 means a only, a plus 1, so it is 1 only, a plus a, it is a plus a bar, it is 1. So these 4 and these 4, total 8 properties. These 8 properties are very important while reducing the Boolean expressions. With the help of these laws only, we are reduce the given expressions. Next, commutative law. So in this commutative law, the first one it is a plus b, which is equal to b plus a. The next one it is in the same commutative law, a into b, which is equals to b into a. Next, coming to the fourth one, so here distributive law, very important property in this entire theorems and laws. So distributive law. So here two properties are there. One is a into b plus c, which is equals to ab plus ac. Next, this is the very important point, important law, that is a plus bc, which is equals to a plus b into a plus c. With the help of this property, particularly a plus bc, which is equals to a plus b and a plus c, more number of problems are there based on this property only. So to reducing the given Boolean expression, like in that problems. Next, this is also very important, De Morgan theorem. So De Morgan theorem. Let us consider the first one in this De Morgan theorem. A plus b whole bar, which is equals to a bar dot b bar. And second one is a into b whole bar, which is equals to A bar plus B bar. So here we are taken two variables, not only two, for n number of variables. If you consider here A plus B plus C plus D plus E like that, the answer it is A bar dot B bar dot C bar dot D bar dot E bar like that. So it is applicable to n number of variables. Next, consensus theorem. Consensus theorem. For 2 marks, this particular theorem very important. State and prove consensus theorem. Like that they will ask. So the property it is here AB plus A bar C plus BC, which is equals to AB plus A bar C only. So this BC it is not appeared at the output side, where this is nothing but this BC we are called as redundant term. Redundant term. What is the meaning of this particular one? We will discuss that. So this is about consensus theorem. Next, very important property, duality. Next, duality concept, duality theorem. So in this duality theorem, so first we need to understand some points here. The very first point it is, in duality theorem, the plus sign which is converted to, if you apply the duality property, plus sign which is converted to multiplication symbol, that is you can say R sign it is converted, R sign it is changed to undersign, and in the same way, in the reverse manner, undersign which is changed to R sign. Next, 0 which is changed to 1, and the next you can say 1 which is changed to 0. So here, a very important point in this duality concept, the note point is variables are not complemented in this process. Variables are not complemented. Variables are not complemented in this process. Whenever if you apply the duality theorem concept, so we can change a plus sign to multiplication sign, and multiplication sign to plus sign, and 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, right? But the point is here, if in that expression, if any A bar or B bar or C bar or D bar, if something complementary terms are there, if the variable contain its complementary term, then do not change that complement term. Keep the literals as it is. Keep the literals as it is, or keep the variables as it is. Now, let us consider the apply the duality property. So we can apply the duality property from each and every law here. First, let us see the apply the duality property. So A plus BC, if you apply the A plus BC is equals to A plus B into A plus C, if you apply the duality property of this one, now let me write here A plus BC, which is equals to A plus B into A plus C. Now if you apply the duality property from this distributive law, so A, keep it as A, so this plus sign it is changed to multiplication sign, and B into C, this B into C it is changed as B plus C. Now which is equal to A into B, sorry, A plus B. So plus sign which is changed to multiplication sign, so which is converted to A into B, and this multiplication sign which is converted to plus sign. So we can put a plus sign here, and this A into A plus C which is changed to A into See, that's it. This is the first one. Next, coming to the second one. Let me take another example. Let us take the Andala. We are having Andala, that is a into 0. So answer is 0. If you apply the duality property here, so a is yeah, a, this undersign which is changed to r sign, and 0 it is changed to 1, and here which is equals to this 0 it is changed to 1. So here, see here, both the properties are true, both the properties are valid. This is the one of the property in Andala, and this is the one of the property in Arla. Next, let us take the complemented term. So that is a into a bar, which is equals to 0. If you apply the duality concept, so do not change or do not disturb the complemented variables here. So keep the literals as it is. So a, this multiplication symbol, so that means undersign which is changed to r sign, then a bar only, which is equals to 0, which is changed to 1. So this is the way we need to do the we need to apply the duality property. So hope you understand this one. In this we covered the Andala and the R law and the commutative law, and next distributive law. Distributive law, it is very important. Distributive law and De Morgan theorem and the consensus theorem, and we observed the finally the duality concept. With these theorems, we can solve any type of problem in the Boolean expressions. So they will ask reduce the given Boolean expression with the help of properties. They will ask some questions. So in the next coming video, we are going to see that. So hope you understand this. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And also please forward to your friends. Thank you.